little boat has been here almost as long as I have. Abandoned, I guess. Don't know much about it, or do I care? Because I got my own crap to deal with. Time for a good winch cleaning. Yeah, check this out. It's gonna take some time. Still waiting for my boom. This is really getting annoying, but I'm trying to stay cool and focused. Got plenty of stuff to keep me busy. So meanwhile, let's get these winches fixed up. So as you can see, this is the inside of the winch mechanism, and you see, normally this is supposed to click and be free, these two. And as you can see, it's pretty corroded, but it's not that bad. Now it's just a matter of time, a bit of patience and some scrubbing, and get your hands dirty, put it back together. So here's the winch all taken apart. I've already cleaned out these bearings here. These bearings have yet to be cleaned up. This is all taken apart, cleaned it up in here. Then there's all these parts in here which were locked. So I'm letting them soak with some water and vinegar. But I'm gonna go in there and clean these out quick and put them back together and put the piles back in there. Time for the Dremel now. Well, that's what it looks like after a bit of dremeling. And this thing is getting beat up, but it still works. I mean, it still functions. So just clean up a bit more in here. Try to keep it greased up and as protected from the elements as possible. See, once the piles are in, you'll see it's gonna work. Now I gotta put on some special pile oil just for that and slip it in there. Now this is tricky because these things sometimes they just like fly away. Here we go. No. There we go. See? Hear that? All good. This one's all good. See, it's not so bad. It looks bad, but it's okay. Second one, because it's a 2-speed, gotta put the little pawls in there with the springs. The spring is here and here, right? And gotta get it in there so it doesn't fling out. There, it's in there. Gotta put in the other one now. Oh shit, it's not in. Damn it. See, it's tricky, this thing. See this? Gonna grab you. There. They're in there. Oh no! It's not in there. Spring leaked out. Damn it. There. They're in. Now. There. They're in. There we go. See? Alright, that's the hardest part of these. Winch grease. You put too much grease in there, sand and salt builds up and it makes it worse. So you just want to put enough. Oh no. No. The whole thing broke, man. Look, I tried to pull it out. Oh, this sucks. It's down here on the floor somewhere, but I can't see it. Oh no. Oh, not good, not good, not good. I found it. It's right here. What? These things are tiny. Oh man. Can't even pick it up, it's so small. There we go. Now I gotta put this thing back together. When it's in there, it doesn't fall apart. I'm gonna do it. No worries. Sounding real good. Just gotta put on this little protective bonnet here, this little hat, and it'll be good. Ta-da! Living in a city here, I'm close to my friend Jose's bar, Cabo.
I like it because it's in a seedy part of town and there's a mix of people. And Jose, well, he's a great host. Most of the bars in the city cater to the foreign crowd, and these folks tend to group together like sheep. Like at the Irish bar, or Italian place, or the French cafes. I'm in Cabo Verde. I hang with criollos, locals, like Jose. He's a local, basically. He's been here 15 years. He just remodeled and opened his bar here not long ago. He originally came here on a sailboat. Yep, he's a sailor too. From the island of Mallorca, Spain. He's been across the Atlantic something like 17 times. And now makes San Vicente his home.
Chorizo de cachorro. Medio pica-pau. Well, pica-pau.
It took me all afternoon to finish off the servicing of the winch yesterday. It was a lot more intense than I thought it would be, as usual. Now I've got 3 more winches to work on. This one, which I haven't serviced in a really long time. Listen to this. Not good. So this winch here is not as corroded as the other ones because it's not exposed to salt water like these two are. This one is protected by the roof dodger, so it's not as corroded, but there's definitely a little problem there with the sound. This probably needs some grease. I think it'll be an easier project, this one. So this winch is completely different. In fact, I've never taken this one apart. See, there's pawls in there. Look at that. That's probably what needs a good greasing. Clean. Too greasy. Alright, let's clean this up. Clean up all this corrosion too. That's diesel, by the way. Some old diesel I keep around just for this purpose. And that's really good. Clean off the grease. Like these nice and clean bearings now. Okay. Just give this like a scrub with a toothbrush. That's vinegar. It's really good for corrosion, salt corrosion. Okay, everything's nice and cleaned up now. Let's just put it back together. Now let's put it back on its mount. Putting a little bit of grease on them so they don't get stuck in there. See, just some winch grease. So it's easier to take them out. They don't get so stuck. These are looking pretty good. Oh, nice. No more bad noise. Solid.
So there it is. Just another few days of life living aboard in Cabo Verde. And this is no joke. These colors represent musical notes. It is a symphony. But more about that next week.
Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Galopon. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken. And I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galopon's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.